DJI is best known for dominating the drone world, but lately, they've been quietly building a name for themselves in the camera game too. From their Pocket series to the Osmo Action line, they've consistently delivered gear that creators love. Now, rumors are flying about their next big move, a 360-degree camera called the Osmo 360. If true, this could be DJI's first serious entry into the world of 360-degree filming, a space currently led by companies like GoPro and Insta360. Let's break down what we know so far about its design, possible features, and when we might see it hit the shelves. Based on leaked design sketches, the Osmo 360 looks to be compact and thoughtfully built. It will likely have two lenses for capturing full 360-degree footage, along with a screen set in landscape mode to make it easier to use. Microphones seem to be positioned for capturing clean, high-quality sound, and the battery compartment appears to be side-mounted, which should make changing batteries during a shoot quick and easy. DJI has worked with Hasselblad on lenses before, so it's possible the Osmo 360 will include top-tier optics for sharp, detailed images. The design also seems to follow DJI's usual minimalist style, likely with weatherproofing and easy-to-reach buttons that fans of their gear will already be familiar with. Specs-wise, the Osmo 360 is shaping up to be quite powerful. An FCC filing hints at strong wireless performance using both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. While GoPro may focus on cooling for its next 360 camera, DJI appears to be prioritizing larger image sensors, which would help the Osmo 360 perform better in low-light situations. It might even shoot in 8K resolution, going beyond the current standard of 5.3K. The camera may also include professional tools like timecode syncing, support for external microphones, and wireless audio recording. Like other recent DJI products, it's expected to be waterproof without needing an extra case. Other likely features include fast file transfers, dual displays, and a battery designed to last through long recording sessions. When it comes to performance, DJI's background in drones and action cams could give it an edge. Expect smooth, stable footage thanks to their advanced stabilization tech, plus smart features like AI-powered subject tracking and automatic horizon leveling. There may also be time-lapse and other creative shooting modes. With DJI's existing accessories, like mounts, gimbals, and drones, this new camera could fit right into a creator's workflow. If DJI includes color science developed with Hasselblad, the footage should also look rich and true to life. Can the Osmo 360 compete with GoPro and Insta360? That's the big question. Insta360 has excellent editing software, and GoPro is known for its easy-to-use cameras and strong brand presence. But DJI isn't new to tough competition. Their gear is often built with care, and they've shown they can improve quickly with each product. If the Osmo 360 offers better low-light performance and image quality, it could attract serious creators looking for more than just high resolution. Plus, DJI's existing ecosystem of gear gives it a unique advantage that others can't match. As for when we'll see it, DJI usually announces products about a month after an FCC filing, which puts a reveal sometime soon, possibly within 4 to 6 weeks. If all goes according to plan, the Osmo 360 could be available just in time for the holiday season. Reports suggest the camera is already being tested, and a price tag around $499 seems likely, making it competitively priced for both casual users and professionals. In the end, the DJI Osmo 360 could be a solid new option in the 360 camera market. With its focus on image quality, creative features, and seamless connection to other DJI products, it might just shake things up. Of course, everything we've talked about is based on leaks and speculation, so we'll have to wait for the official announcement. But if the rumors are true, DJI might be about to make 360-degree filming a whole lot more exciting.